sa media. At lahat naman tayo, please mag-raise lang kayo ng hand kung gusto nyo mag-share ng inyong kuro-kuro tungkol sa napanood ng shorts and reels. Sino ang una natin magtatanong? Amartis? Vincent, mag-comment?
Hi, congratulations everyone. My name is Vincent from Stages Manila. Napakaganda ng mga awitin. It's my first time to watch shorts and briefs. And nakakatuwa kasi napakadaming mga talento kaming nakita ngayong araw na ito. Na actually pwede na sila for CCTV talaga. No? At saka sa mga malalaking entablado. At napakaganda ng mga boses, napakaganda ng mga kanta. Ang question ko is, paano nyo kinuha, paano nag-audition, at saan nanggaling itong mga bagong talentong nakita namin ngayong araw na ito?
Siguro po sir, ako po yung sasagot. Pumpakan lang lang.
Salamat.
Okay. Again, for this festival, to be honest, we never expected this to be big as this. Nagsimula lang talaga ito kasi wala akong experience. We were studying at gusto ko magkaroon ng theater experience. Nakiusap sa mga kaibigan hanggang nabuo. Hanggang lumaki, hanggang nagulat na lang kami, it's here, we're here. Kumbaga, ang pinaka-goal namin ever since when we started, kailangan equal opportunity when auditioning. So they have to pass their songs. Again, we don't require song na buo na. Ang iba naka-record lang sa cellphone, naka-record lang sa messenger. Basta buo, basta kahit paano may potential yung kanta, mabubuo yung kanta. Everyone is welcome dito. Basta wala silang record label o wala silang kanta sa Spotify. Yun yung dapat first timer ang labas nila kumbaga. And then after the song, pag na-shortlist na namin yung kanta, we have Sir Rolly Lucencio also for helping us. Kasi ang dami nagpapasa. Pipili kami ng shortlist and then directors apply. Ang director dito para mag-apply, kailangan nyo lang sumagot ng dalawang tanong na essay. Yun lang yung kailangan malaman. Basta madali lang. Why do you want to direct? At saka, yun lang. Isa-stop lang namin kayo. Para malaman namin na first timer talaga kayo. After yun, ipa-partner namin sila. They have to listen to the shortlisted songs. Piliin na lang gusto nilang kanta, and that's it. Ito ay gusto ko rin na-experience sa mga directors to do the process as they go on their own. Kailangan nila maramdaman yung difficulty ng pagpili, pagkinig at saka pag-interpret ng mga bagay-bagay. Of course, this is surrounded by the wonderful mentors namin, sina Kuya Juan Ekis, sina Sir Chris Mediato from last year, sina Sir D ng ilaw namin. So tumutulong lahat ng mga paligid ng mga experts namin. Tapos actors kami for audition, ayun na, gulo-gulo na. Ano salamat po.
Hello, ito naman para kay Mark.
Hi everyone. So first and foremost, I've actually watched this a couple of times in shorts and briefs last year and this year as well. And I just wanted to commend all the directors for, the stories because it's very diverse, it's very simple, yet it's very remarkable to the audience. My question, I'd like to actually direct this to Paulito Del Mundo. I've actually seen you do your plays way back. I think that was sa Benil. I think you did plays before, diba?
Yes.
So
College.
Yeah, college. Yes. So what do you think is more difficult for you, being an actor and being a director? Kasi it's been quite some time since I actually watched you. And how is the collaborative effort with your actors when you actually did this play? Kasi I got teary-eyed when I was watching it earlier. Thank you.
Actually, pareho namang mahirap being an actor and being a director. Mas malaki lang yung responsibility ng being a director kasi ikaw yung mag-lead. I-assume mo na yung mga nasa paligid mo, may kinig sa'yo, aasa sa'yo. Pagka may gusto ka lang itanong sa kanila, doon papasok yung mga suggestions nila. Pero most of the time, sa'yo kasi magagaling. So, and grateful ako for shorts and briefs kasi we were surrounded by mentors. So, pagtatanong ako sa lights, paano ba? Gusto ko kasi hindi papasok ako dito. Pwede ba yun? Hindi ko naman tanong kalimutin. So, tutulungan nila ako for that. Sir Carl, may problem ako sa blocking. So, paano ba yan yung mga ganito? There's mga mentors. Kaya, guided kami. Guided. And at the same time, huwag kang aasa dun sa mga magme-mentor sa'yo. At the same time, you need to take responsibility, accountability, kasi this is your work. This is your collaboration with the actor. Kaya, ayun, it was really a big responsibility to take a lead. But at the same time, grateful for the mentors na tumutulong.
Speaking of responsibility, we have to, we're ending this very quick talk on what will happen. You can go to the lobby and do the discussion with them. You can you can talk to our directors and our songwriters and actors also. Talk to them. Again, thank you very much for being here with us, guys. Maraming